Hi, my name is Dwight Agnor and I am in Asia. I'm going to share with you how to greatly increase your health and how to greatly decrease your weight. So watch carefully because I'm going to share with you how you can take all of these foods and make them absolutely delicious in less than 5 minutes a day and lose more than 10 kgs in 1 month. That's 22 pounds in a month. First of all, let's look at our global health. Do you know more than 1 billion people in this world today are obese or overweight? Are you one of those people? Would you like to know how to get rid of that belly fat a simple, easy, and delicious way? Diabetes is a huge epidemic today for old people and for young people. Stress is a leading cause of our health problems today. And your stress levels can be reduced by the food that you eat. Inflammation is the biggest enemy. Inflammation is the root cause of many of our major illnesses and diseases. Did you know that over 20,000 people a day are dying from cancer, according to the World Health Organization? And more than 50,000 people every day are dying from heart disease. And it does not have to be that way. So, if you're concerned about your overall health, you're going to love what we're going to share with you today. So watch carefully, because what I'm going to share with you right now could change your life. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to actually demonstrate to you how easy it is and how much fun it can be to make really delicious meals that will completely fill you up in less than 5 minutes a day. But before I do, I want to explain why we are selecting these particular foods. Let's take the cover of this Time magazine. Do you see the cover? The Secret Killer, right? The link between inflammation and heart disease, Alzheimer's, and other diseases. Inflammation, remember, is the killer. So the first thing we want to do is add a lot of omega-3s to your diet. Omega-3s is nature's natural anti-inflammation, and it's been removed from our food. It's called essential fatty acids. Fatty acids means oil. Essential oils, but you have to eat it. And the problem is, with most people in the world today, we're no longer eating it. So everything I'm going to prepare for you today will have a lot of omega-3s. Fiber is something else that most people in the world are very lacking in. And it's very important for cleaning our intestines and our colon. Do you know that most of you are right now carrying between 4 kgs and 10 kgs of fecal matter that's stuck inside your intestines and in your colon? And so colon cancer is a very big cause of cancer death today. We are going to show you how to add a lot of wonderful, nutritious fiber and delicious fiber to these meals. Antioxidants is huge because researchers claim that antioxidants actually prevent cancer. Also, antioxidants is great for anti-aging. Also, antioxidants removes fat deposits from our arteries. And finally, we're going to include a lot of protein. Many people go on diets, they lose a lot of weight, but they don't have a lot of protein. And protein is important for maintaining your muscle. So people that do not have a lot of protein while they're dieting, their skin does not look good and it begins to look flabby. We don't want that to happen, right? So keep that in mind, and here we go. Now, the reason people hate to go on diets is because they know they're going to be hungry and they don't like the taste of the food that they have to eat. This is going to be different because you are going to be so full and you're going to love everything that you're going to eat. I promise you. Now, to do that, we have to change the tastes of some of these nutritional foods, right? And to do that, we're going to cheat a little bit. This is one of my little cheating friends. It's called stevia. You can find it in most all upscale grocery stores. This is important. This is 100 times sweeter than sugar, except no calories, no carbohydrates, and no aftertaste. And it has been approved by the FDA because it does not cause cancer in laboratory rats. This is a true discovery, guys. Get it. It's amazing for you and your children. This is what stevia looks like. Just fine granulated sugar looking, right? Except you only need a little teeny bit of this. And this is what happens when you add cinnamon to the stevia. And cinnamon is very healthy for you. And this is just like cinnamon sugar. I'll show you how to use this in your coffee and on your children's French toast and many other things in a little bit. Now this is the real secret. It's called Mila. Now, Mila is the highest and safest source of omega-3s on earth. Now what it is chia seed. Now I know you've heard of chia seed. The media is talking all about chia, and this is the poster child of great health in the world today, according to all the magazines and health experts, right? But what most people don't know is that there are more than 150 different strains of chia seed, and they're all different. So if you think all chia seed is alike, you're wrong. This is a secret blend of the 3 most powerful chia seeds on earth. There's 8 times more omega-3s in one little scoop of Mila than there is in wild salmon. It's full of fiber, it's full of antioxidants, and it's full of protein. And best of all, there's no taste. So we're going to add this to everything we're going to make, because you won't even taste it, but it will do wonders for your health.